Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here today and I hope you and your close ones are doing well. In this video, I'm talking to you about 3 best hand DIY treatments for soft and beautiful hands. With the excessive use of sanitizing products, I believe that this video is relevant. In this video, we will prepare the moisturizing and calming mask. That's the one you see right here. We shall also prepare one of the best and most effective scrubs for your hands, which is very important for your hand care. And we shall also prepare another mask that is great for lightening and softening dark spots, along with some great tips I will share with you after we prepare everything. For the first mask, we are going to need 1 raw egg yolk. We shall need half of avocado, which I'm going to just put in there right now, like that. And we shall need honey. What I normally do first, I would mesh everything with a fork and then I will add honey so I could see the consistency of my mask. Once you've meshed everything, it shouldn't be a problem, especially if your avocado is soft and ripe. And now we're going to add honey. This is the honey I have on hand right now, but any honey will do. And we're going to add half a tablespoon. So this is my measuring spoon. This honey is easy for me because it's more of a liquid form, like that. And once we mix everything up, our mask is done. Like this, I believe these are one of the best ingredients that would help to nourish, calm, and moisturize your skin. The way we're going to use it, you can also watch my video where I talk about the importance of the toner for making your hands soft. And before any mask for your face and for your hands, respectively, we're going to use the toner. So I would just pour a little toner like that. So make sure it covers my hands. You could take the rings off, obviously, the watch, everything that could be on the way, and then we should apply the mask. If you happen to have the medical gloves, you would need to use them, but I don't have any medical gloves on hand, which is not a problem because you could use the plastic wrap and wrap your hands in it. I would just recommend to prepare 2 pieces beforehand, so it's easier for you not to really mess everything too much. I will show you, demonstrate with my one hand. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I would take a mask, apply it liberally, on my hands. You could, get a help of someone who can just put the plastic wrap on your hands. You could, it doesn't have to end here. You could go further, obviously, and you could apply it on the palm as well. This is what I'm going to do. It's not going to hurt. So pretty much the amount for this mask is good for several uses. So you can even store it in the refrigerator. The avocado might definitely get dark, but that's really not a problem. So once I've applied it on my hand, I would take a piece of plastic wrap and put it on my hand nicely to close it up, so it looks like that, pretty much like a glove. And you would need to sit and relax for 10-15 minutes. Then you take it off and wash your hands the regular way. I would recommend you to do this mask if your hands are really dry and need extensive care, twice a week, and once a week for sort of supporting the results you've achieved. So once we prepared our first treatment, the second treatment is obviously on the way. The second treatment is great for lightening and softening dark spots. It will brighten those spots and leave your hands off so very, very soft. For the recipe, we should need everything in the amount of 2 teaspoons. So that's my measuring spoon. I would start with making 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. We need lemon for its citric acid that will help us to brighten the spots. So I'm just going to... Alright, so this is the 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. The next ingredient I would need would be baking soda. So we need it because it will help us to exfoliate the skin, so to reveal the fresh and soft skin. And we shall also need it in the amount of 2 teaspoons. you would see the reaction happening with the lemon. That's all right. And the last ingredient will be honey again, which is a star in all the recipes today. And we shall need another 2 teaspoons. Just give us a little second until we get the needed amount. And now the last thing obviously would be just to combine all the ingredients. So this is your close-up look, and this is the treatment we have. It's very nice and creamy. Just make sure you combine everything very well. All you need to do is obviously apply it to your hands. I'm going to demonstrate it right now. So for that purpose, I will just use one of my hands. It's a little runny, that's all right. And you would need to, you could feel the baking soda doing this nice exfoliating work. I also think it's very important to spend some time rubbing this solution in before letting it sit for 10 minutes, because rubbing, you do all the exfoliating motion. Continue on your second hand. Once you rubbed it in, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then you would need to rinse it with warm water and enjoy the results. The last treatment would definitely be the hand scrub. Your hand care will not be complete if you don't have a hand scrub, right? So this is the very simple recipe. Obviously, you can even do it right into in your palm, but I will demonstrate in a small bowl. So this was 1 tablespoon of sugar, but you know, the measurements are really forgiving depending on how much you really need. And then we should need 1 tablespoon of oil. You could use any oil you have on hand. Coconut oil will be good, olive oil. I love using sunflower oil recently. So this is another tablespoon we're adding to the recipe. You mix everything up and you use it like nicely, gently, very important to gently, you don't need to like vigorously scrub your skin off your hands. No, gently massage it, the sugar will melt slowly, and the acid that sugar contains will also give a perfect exfoliating, brightening effect. Pretty much the whole procedure would take like a minute. You would need to scrub it gently for about 30 seconds and then let the water run, and you wash your hands for another 30 seconds just to make sure that the oil has been washed off. So, and you're pretty much done. I would recommend you to use the toner after it. So these are all the 3 simple recipes that we have prepared. I hope you really like them. Now let's talk about the promised tips. If you want your hands to look young and beautiful, you need not to forget about the use of the toner for your hands. So it could be the toner I've used. Pretty much it must be the moisturizing toner. You can watch my video where I talk about toners in great detail, or it could be something like this, which is very simple, as you just spray it on, like extremely simple, right? Also moisturizing stuff. Now every time before you're using the hand cream, you use the toner. Every time you use it before using a mask, use the toner, and you use the toner after you're done with any of the treatments. Now you have to do this daily. This is your daily procedure. Twice a week you need to do the mask, which will be the protocol of toner, mask, toner, cream. And once a week you could do the scrub. I would recommend you to use, so to say, scrub, toner, cream. Now your cream, say your face cream would not be suitable for the use of your hands. So it's not really nourishing enough for your hands, not rich enough, so to say. So you need to find the cream specifically made for your hands or make your own. There are a lot of natural options out there. I'm actually the person who uses like one product for everything. So you can use this for your body, and I also use this for my hands. I find it really nice. It's not really giving any greasy feelings, and it's very nourishing, because after you wash your hands or use a sanitizer, your hands definitely will feel dry, especially during the winter months. Every time you're working with chemical cleaners, or you even wash dishes and your hands are severely dry and irritated, you need to wear the protective gloves. I hope you guys like this video. This is all the information I wanted to share with you. It's really a complete list of everything you can do for your hands, not only if they're irritated, but pretty much to have the preventive measures for anti-aging, preventive dark spots. If you have any questions, do let me know. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you guys to keep up the spirits, to be in a good mood as much as you can. Remember that it's great summertime outside right now, and a lot of good things do still happen in our lives every single day. All the best. Goodbye.